Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to write text next to an image. First of all, you can see here I have some demo text. Now I want to do that. First of all, I want to add an image. Just drag and drop into your document. Now resize your image, then click to wrap text. Now go here and now click to in front of text and then fix position on page. Click this option again. Now you can see it's our image and text next to this image. That's it. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.